fresh mo today ah.
Thank you, bro. Today is day 1 of Daniel. No weights! Oh God.
Guys, pati yung cart nag-give up na kay Tommy nag-shutdown. Is it our fault? It's always your fault.
Good morning, day 2 here. Also our last day here. Grabe guys, sobrang nakakatawa. Mas when I slept, wala pa si Daniel. Pagkagising ko, wala na rin si Daniel. Hindi ko alam kung natutulog yun si Daniel.
Yan na, balikan na sa akin, ha?
So guys, first agenda today is we're gonna have breakfast with Daniel and the rest of the gang. Pero yeah, check out the fit, dude. Napaka Gen Z natin today, Freddy. Inspired by last night's Kastakli and Floji.
Meanwhile,
Kasaroom. When I woke up, wala Kasaroom. Saan ka?
Breakfast.
When I woke up nung middle of the night, nasa breakfast ka na?
What do you mean? You don't even have a
Hindi ako natutuwa, hindi ako nang titrip sa inyo. Tigilan niyo yung mga kabasusan na message, ha?
This is our food for today. Boiled eggs and some adobo. Taste test.
Bro, you have to get utensils there.
Okay lang yan. It's big enough. Tamad na ako kuha.
Nakadiri.
Pero alam nyo ba guys, using a smaller spoon is effective for dieting. Legit. Kasi mapapabagal yung kain mo. Legit yun. We're here with Joshua Garcia right now.
And Daniel Padilla.
Yeah.
Oh my God, Daddy!
Daniel Padilla and Joshua Garcia vlog takeover muna.
Okay ka lang?
This guy is so freaking weird. Look at him. Adobo silog, boiled egg, tapos yung balat sa plato lang pinatawag.
Parang may crunchy effect. Ay!
Ang fresh mo today ah.
Thank you, bro. Ay, rolling pala.
Kemi lang, B.
Or, macho na. Idol ko na na-meet ko yesterday.
Ayan, si Skasta.
Sobrang idol.
Pakita mo yung pinaka-idol mo.
Napilitan ako maging idol.
Napakakapal ah. Boom! Yan ang idol.
Ang galing! Ang galing!
Ang ganda ng pool. Langoy tayo, Daniel. Daniel, langoy tayo. Lunurin mo ako sa pagmamahal mo. Ito na yung view, guys. Now you're in the room.
What do you mean?
Obvious ba?
Today is day 1 of Daniel. No weights! Oh God.
Anong nagtatanong dito? Saan mo daw gagamitin yung razor?
Pang shave.
Saang shave? Yummy!
Musta tulog mo, Romeo? Sarap. Nakakadol kayo ni Kill?
Sarap.
Alam nyo guys, ako isa sa mga tao talaga na, hindi naman isa, syempre madami, pero ako isa sa mga tao na love ko talaga yung Philippines. Hindi to hindi to self-serving. Number 1, alam to lahat ng mga OGs ko. I really don't like traveling ng malayo. Pero pag nasa Pilipinas talaga ako, I love it. I love Metro Manila. You know, just being able to speak the same language, same culture. Kaya sobrang love ko pag nag-out of town kasi nakikita ko yung mga iba't ibang, parts of the Philippines. It's like same but different. I super love it. Grabe, ito pala yung PBA player. Dala-dala yung sapatos niya. Anong team ka, boss?
Nebra.
Sorry.
What's up, guys? So right now, we are on the way to have lunch in an authentic Dagupan restaurant. The second reason why we're here in Dagupan. Food trip! Oh, ang sarap! Bangus, guys. Oh my God! Brother, from a scale of 1 to 10.
11 out of 10 bro. Intense to.
How about crispy pata? So yummy, guys.
Yummy!
Wow! Oh, so, wow! Grabe yung asim, sobrang sarap, bro. Medyo nangihina ako. Grabe! RSB ha, ingat ka sa akin ha.
Bakit? Sino ka ba?
Sobrang sarap guys, grabe talaga. Sobrang fresh. Mas fresh pa sa breakup ko. Mas fresh pa sa breakup mo.
You just broke up ba?
Ano naisip mo sa pagkain?
Yummy! Pwede bang mag-sharon dito, boss?
Ha?
Pwede mag-sharon.
Anong Sharon?
Okay ka lang?
Balutin mo ako.
Kain ka na. Yan.
Sorry.
Guys, my gosh. Dubai Chewy Choco Chewy, Dubai Chewy Chocolate Choco, Dubai Chewy Chocolate Choco. Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang beat. Ale, nasa langit na ako, ale, nasa langit na.
Nakakadiri.
Guys, Dubai Chewy Chocolate Cookie by Consi. You bite the other half, ha? Guys, the best talaga to, guys. Sobrang the best. I love Dubai Choco Chewy Choco Chocolatey Coke.
Tama na, nahihilo na ako. Tama na.
Dagupan! Ate, abs ko na yan, ha? Gugwapo eh. Next stop, guys. Let's go to the beach each. Let's go get away! Yeah! I made it! It's burning! Did you guys like that? Nice. Sige pa, Romeo! Yes, Romeo! Baliw! That was the best 2 minutes of my life here in the beachfront of the Gupan. Suggest. What? Gagi ka. Binatukan mo lang ako, ha?
Huwag kayo iiyak.
Guys, nakita nyo naman, di ba? Tingnan nyo. Beach, nasa beach tayo, pero outfit natin pang bench.
Wala kaming pakialam!
Ang galing! Ang galing!
Maganda siya, boss. Pero sobrang init. Oh my
Grabe.
God.
May tae.
I love Dagupan! Ito ay area na yung babalik-balikan, guys.
Parang yan na lang lagi linya mo. Kahit saan tayo pumunta. Ibahin mo naman.
Siyempre, ganun talaga. Yun talaga ang trademark natin eh. Dagupan. Yung babalik-balikan.
Walang bitaw.
Pagod na po ako.
Amazing!
Kaya nyo to.
Ah, sarap.
Marlon, ikaw naman. For sure, we'll be coming back.
We're planning also for a music and dance festival.
Yeah.
Maybe
Wow.
I can invite you.
Wow, for sure I'll be here. Kaya lang problema, anong dance gagawin natin? Macho dance lang alam ko. Anong po-perform ko? So right now naman pala guys, we're gonna try to go indoor karting. Let's go guys! Ngayon naman guys, nandito tayo sa Mad Kart. Alright. Okay ah.
Shoutout sa asawa ko dyan. Single ako sa Dagupan.
Naku Romeo, baka isipin nila pareho tayo ng ugali. Patay tayo dyan, Romeo.
ay mo ha?
How many do you think you're gonna get?
I think I'll get 6 out.
Okay, let's go.
What's the bet?
What do you want?
You can't nap in the car on the way back.
Wow! Sige, G. Ako bet ko less than 6. If you get 6 or more, I won't nap. Oh! Kasi, hindi naman mabilis eh. No, you have to hold it. Oh, he didn't touch. Wala na. He's not gonna get it. Sobrang familiar yung pagkagano ni Daniel eh. May naalala ako pagkaganon niya eh.
Ah, sarap.
Eman, ikaw na bahala sa effect ha.
Okay.
Kaka-start. Grabe. Hindi niya nakuha guys. Grabe yung bitaw ko doon guys. Kaka-start.
Guys, Tommy's one of the worst drivers I know, but it's okay. It's just a go-kart. This guy is not allowed to be left alone in places like this.
Hold on tight, baby! Bro, what the hell?
guys. Pati yung cart nag-give up na kay Tommy, nag-shutdown. Is it our fault? It's always your fault.
So guys, as you can see here in the Mad Kart Racing, we are showing you all the tracks.
Demo naman.
You know, when you're driving properly, no, you want both hands on the wheel at all times, right?
Instructor na di pwede pagkatiwalaan.
Paano papunta sa Meralco Avenue, boss?
Why are you asking?
That guy.
Bro, that's not a real guy!
Boss.
Marlon, OOTD, PNP. Palagi niya ako pinapahamak.
You're wrong.
Comment down below if nakita nyo ilang beses ako pinahamak ni Kuya Marlon. Dahil sa mga bitaw ng comment. Hotline kay Consi giving us one of the best tips we've had out of town sa Manila, which is here in Dagupan. Babalik tayo for sure. Thank you so much, Consi.
Yeah, always welcome.
Manila
Always
and
going back to Dagupan ulit.
of course,
Yeah.
diba? Sarap ng
Thank
food,
you.
sarap ng events, and
Yeah.
sarap ng hospitality. Hospitality, ano ba yan? Naano na ako.
Okay ka pa ba?
Yun, we're gonna road trip back to Manila, take some breaks along the way, going to Oliver's, your favorite coffee stop.
Nice.
Oh, my favorite, BJ's. I love BJ's. Do you, Daniel?
I'll give you one.
Oh yes, thank you for the BJ.
Bading! Bading! Bading!
We're on the road back to Manila, guys. Sobrang saya talaga dito. It was so fun. Pero sumisipa na yung ADHD ko. Pero okay lang, lulaban tayo. Oh my gosh.
Bax, end mo na yung call.
So guys, alam niyo naman, responsible businessmen pa rin tayo. So kahit nag-enjoy tayo, hindi pwede kalimutan ang negosyo. So dito dadaan kami sa Oliver's Coffee, surprising our staff. Hello! Buy some stuff in Oliver's and syempre, collect na rin yung sales namin. You gotta work hard and work smart.
Tommy, email yan!
Ay! Good afternoon, guys. Nandito na ang inyong mga pogi may-ari.
Pwede ba ilayo mo sa akin to? Ayoko makita ito. Maita ulo ko.
Okay guys, so nandito tayo sa Oliver's Coffee. This is TP Lex, guys. You know. Kami ni Daniel may-ari dito. So if you want to support, if ever nandito kayo, visit lang kayo. Tingnan nyo, ang gaganda ng staff natin. Guys, tanungin ko lang kayo, anong feeling na guwapo ang may-ari, ang mga boss? O, di ba? Ang feeling ko, binubola pa nila ako, di ba?
Oo, matulog ka na lang. Yun ang sasabihin ko sa'yo. Matulog ka na.
Ano talaga dito, customers always right talaga dito. Namukha ko na naman si Piolo Pascual na miss. Napagkamalan ako sa pinuntahan ko na Piolo Pascual ata no. Ha! Wow!
Baliw.
Sabi ko ang init ngayon no? Hindi kasi gumagana yung aircon. Yung sabi mo miss? Oo.
Sana all!
Dahil may bonus ka ngayon. Ang bonus mo ay...
Sarap.
O ito na yung mas ayaw niyang may-ari si Daniel. Ako yung gusto nila eh. Anong pangalan to? Sinong GF to? Kaninong GF to?
Kayla.
The joke lang guys, our staff. Shoutout sa staff na. So this is our first stop na Oliver's. Meron pa tayong mga dalawa na dadaanan. Para efficient tayo today. First one done. Let's go for second, third. Chimi. Ito naman guys, this one is a kiosk. The other one kanina was an inline store guys. So the inline store is made for places kung saan meron tayong capacity of 12 to 15 square meters. But if 8 to 12 square meters lang ang meron natin, you should go for the kiosk. O di ba? Naging taga-benta pa ako ng Oliver's Coffee Kiosk. If gusto nyo mag-avail, hindi pa kami open for franchising, so sorry na lang.
Ang galing! Ang galing!
Mga audit po. Random inspection, quality check. Ang ganda ng quality. Ang ganda pa ng staff natin.
Boss,
Oh,
kape ka ba?
bakit?
Kasi
Ikaw yung dahilan ko ba't ako gumigising sa umaga?
hindi!
Ay, huwag sumasapaw!
Oh,
Gusto kitang makasama sa umaga, sa tanghali, sa gabi. So, dito lang tayo dyan, guys. Oliver's Coffee! Yan,
wow!
yung kape.
Ikaw, meron ka na, Romeo?
Boss,
Oh.
unan ka ba? Kasi gusto kita laging kaya.
What the hell happened? Alam nyo naman guys, dito sa Oliver's Coffee, masarap talaga yung coffee na. Super. Kung gusto nyo ng matcha latte, kita nyo naman. Diba? Yeah!